This meal is versatile option, perfect for any time of the day. It is simple to prepare, delicious, visually appealing. It is super easy to prepare. Lovelies, what I brought for you: perfectly Nigerian fried egg. It is perfect for yam, for boiled potatoes, or for bread. Here is vegetable hub. I heat it up and I'm going to add diced onion into it. I will fry for about a minute. After that, I'm going to add diced paprika. I'm going to add Habanero Pepper for the heat vibe, and I'm just going to stir them together. I will allow them to fry together for about 3 to 5 minutes. Look at what I have here. This is tuna fish. Feel free to use shredded boiled mackerel fish or roasted one, no problem. I'll be adding seasoning into this. I'm going to add a bit of salt, not that much, and I'm just going to stir them and allow them to fry together. So while that is frying, I'm going to whisk the eggs I'll be using. I'm just going to use this fork to whisk it together. I'll mix it well, and after that I'll add a bit of salt. That was the reason why I said don't add too much of salt into the sauce. Give them a mix together, and it's now time to add diced tomatoes, and on top of it the whisked eggs. I'm going to allow them to fry together. So sorry, I lost the footage where I added the diced tomato. You don't need to allow the tomatoes to fry for 2 minutes or 5 minutes before adding your eggs. It will make your sauce to be watery. I'm going to allow them to fry for about 2 minutes together, and then this is the way I'll flip it little by little. Yes, if you really want to have super perfect typical Nigerian fried egg, this is how it's going to be. It's not just going to be scatter. You will love the way it will come out. Fry your egg this way, you will love the texture. In this countryside I live, they do add water into their eggs before frying, or add milk, but you don't need to do that. With that, your tomatoes and then adding your whisked egg direct on top of it, you will have perfect delicious fried egg, and you will love it. So it is time to eat. Look at the egg. Can you see how it looks? You need to give this a try, and I know you will love it. Prepare this. You can eat it with bread, even rice. You will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.